Hi everyone, it's Gabby and we are at the airport right now and we are over by Starbucks. I'm gonna go get a Starbucks, which is awesome because there's Starbucks and a Cold Stone right next to each other. So we are buying some of these. One of them is for my mom. So she wants a pineapple, so we're gonna get her a pineapple. And that's from Dole. And there's actually the Dole Center. Where's the camera at? Okay, there's Dole Center in Hawaiian, so it's 100% Hawaiian Road. And there's just like the whole terminal here. That's where I actually got my brother a present and also my teacher. And this is just like a whole nice area. I have my suitcase down there and I have my pillow right here. So I'm nice and comfy and we're just kind of sitting and relaxing. Great. So we're in first class on our flight and I'm so tired because it is like 10:15 is what our flight is, and I don't know what time it is right now. I think it's 8 something, but I'm just really excited that we get to, I'm sad that we're leaving Hawaii, but I'm just happy that I get to go back home and see the rest of my family. So I will hopefully see you guys on the plane, and we're just gonna get some Starbucks. So I will see you guys later. Bye.